So today we're going to take a look at how you can make video on Premiere Pro look more vintage or more filmic. So basically the big difference between like older media, like older movies and stuff, and today's movies is the use of digital cameras versus film cameras. And one of the things that's different there is obviously digital uses pixels, whereas film used film. With that, there is an introduction of what's called noise. And if we introduce noise back into our video file, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go down to our effects and we're going to search for noise. And you're going to want to scroll down for the one in the folder with noise and grain. You want to click noise. And it can also be called grain as well, some people might call it like grain, but we're just going to use the noise filter for this. And basically what it does is it adds like this. It's not like crisp. It doesn't make the video as crisp like a modern like 4K file or something. So all it is, I'm going to show you like an extreme version first. We're going to put it to like 75%, because obviously we're looking at this on here. As you can see here, hell, let's even put it up to like 95. As you can see, there's all this like artifacting and stuff here. Basically, this is what we call noise. So depending on how old or like vintage-y you want your video to look. See, like I always think 50% is kind of a cool aesthetic if that's what you're going for. If you just want a slight tinge, 25 looks okay. So if we zoom in, we can get a bit more of a better grasp. So we'll zoom in at 100. Maybe we'll just do 150 to make it easier for you to see. And as you can see, the artifact in there, we put this back down to 0. You'll see that it looks more crisp, and we can obviously, we'll move this around. It won't be in frame, but you'll be able to see this. So let's use this rooftop here as an example. Let's do like 25. You can start to see that it looks more like an older film or a television title. 50%, you can see it gets really grainy. Looks more like a 70s horror film with this much grain on it. But yeah, that's how you make something look a bit more vintagey that isn't more modern, or you just want to use it as an aesthetic choice. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, hope that helps. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.